After my relationship with Shirley, walking home just wasn't quick enough. What we needed to do was make some money. That's the way to really get home. And with this in mind, both James and I made ourselves available for employment and took the first job we could find. And on that day that I was gored by the bull, two things went through my mind. One, there's faster ways to make money than this. Two, I couldn't see clearly, so I can't be sure, but I think James could have done more to help me out than he did. This was a terrible realization for our friendship.